Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, A Comprehensive Guide to Python Course Fees in Mumbai. Introduction. Python has emerged as one of the most popular programming languages, and mastering it can open up numerous opportunities in the tech industry. If you're considering taking a Python course in Mumbai, it's essential to understand the various factors influencing course fees. In this tutorial, we'll explore the key considerations for Python course fees in Mumbai and provide a code example to help you navigate through the process. Factors influencing Python course fees in Mumbai. Institute reputation. Course duration. Course content. Trainer experience. Facilities and resources. Certification. Placement assistance. Location. Code example, Python course fee calculator. This code example demonstrates a simple Python class for calculating the total course fee based on the specified parameters. You can customize the values to match the specifics of the Python course you are interested in. Conclusion. When considering a Python course in Mumbai, it's crucial to weigh the factors influencing course fees and choose a program that aligns with your learning objectives and budget. The provided code example can help you estimate the total course fee and make an informed decision. ChatGPT.